Instant steps, no unnecessary talk. Let's get started. In the first step, open settings. Now go to FaceTime, then switch off calls from iPhone. In the next step, open settings. Next, choose phone. Next, tap calls on other devices. After that, disable allow calls on other devices. In the next step, open settings. After that, go to Wi-Fi. Then disconnect from the same connection as iPhone. In the next step, open settings. Then tap Apple ID. After that, choose iCloud. Later, turn off FaceTime sync. In the next step, open settings. Later, select Bluetooth. Next, switch off Bluetooth if paired with iPhone. You are good to go.